everybody, I'm here with my friend Virginie, whose blog Crave and Cook is one of my go-tos. Virginie is here to show us one of her daily breakfast mainstays. You have how many kids, Virginie?
3 kids.
3 kids, so she's got a hectic household in the morning and everybody's, running around trying to get out the door, which is my experience too.
It can be a little bit stressful, so I try to keep it easy for me and yummy for them.
But it seems like you've found a way to make pancakes, which are normally a treat, really healthy.
I have oats here. I have a superfood oats, and then you want to combine that with an egg for extra protein, and then half a banana that will mash, and then you want to add, I would say, 3/4 to a cup of milk. I'm using almond milk here, but you can use any kind of milk.
You can use soy, you can use whole milk, whatever you want, but you like the almond milk. I think that goes with the healthy theme today.
I think so too.
Let me mash a banana, you crack the egg.
Great.
Want to look for those nice brown, speckly, like really ripe bananas for the sweetness, right?
Yes, because then it's really sweet and nice, and you don't have to add any sugar to it.
Okay, perfect.
And then we're just going to combine it all together. And you want to start with a little bit of the milk, not too much at a time, and then we'll just judge with the consistency.
Okay. This is so smart because I feel like my kids are always, their breakfasts are so carb laden, that's all about like, they're eating cereal and bagels, and granted, they're growing kids and they can take all of those carbs, but it's so nice to have some protein and some fiber, and
that's why I add the eggs. You don't have to add the egg. You can maybe add more banana or just leave the egg out, but I find that when you add the protein in it, first of all, it keeps them, not hungry longer.
Right.
And then it's healthier.
Yeah, it's like that slower curve, of energy. So are we ready to cook?
We are.
Show us how you make a perfect first pancake, because that's the hardest thing to do.
I know, not mess up the first one. So I have coconut oil here, and you just want to melt it on the griddle, and then you just want you don't have to make them too big.
Okay. So let's talk about what we're gonna top it with. You don't do just plain old maple syrup. I feel like you have something special for us.
I like to mix it up, so this is really easy. It's a blueberry sauce. It's
I love
literally
blueberries.
just a cup of blueberries, 2 teaspoons of water, and a little bit of cinnamon, and then maple syrup.
Smell the cinnamon.
We can try and flip it.
Here we go. Now, I think it's time to dig in. Can we dig in?
Oh, we have to.
Okay, let's do it. Oh my God, that's so good.
Do you think your kids would like that?
They would love this.
It's hard to stop.
We can't stop.
Nope. But it's healthy. So
You don't have to.
No, we don't
It's
have
healthy.
to.
You don't have to stop. Virginie, thank you so much for
Thank you
stopping
for
by
having
today and showing us your breakfast of champions. I will be making these daily. And for those of you who like the looks of this, there are plenty more family-friendly, healthy, fresh, weekday recipes over at Virginie's blog, Crave and Cook. So go and check it out. Thanks for joining us. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I gotta try these now with the syrup.